but look what the Honorable Louis Farrakhan said here. The knowledge of self is the greatest of all knowledge. It is akin to the knowledge of Allah. Both these knowledges, which is really one, is the key to our return to God, really our return to ourselves and our return to power. The Honorable Elijah Muhammad never said we suffer from mental slavery. Mental death brings slavery. Right. Because the power of the human being is in the mind. And once someone can control your mind, they don't have to set up barriers around the plantations. They didn't have to put barbed wire fences around the plantations because they could control the mind of the slave. Slave ain't going nowhere. He says the study of ourselves as black people, original people of the earth, he said it must never be abandoned. You got to keep learning about yourself. Don't think you got it all in one lesson. That's why when the minister started dealing with Dianetics, people was confused and attacking him on this, that, and the other. But the knowledge of your mind is part of the knowledge of self. Right. We can't know who we really are if we ain't excited about uniting and building. No. I got the knowledge of myself. Soon as somebody start trying to build something black, your mouth is the first one criticizing it.
Come on. Go ahead.
That's what the enemy is doing. That's what the enemy wants. He wants something torn down. It doesn't mean you're just some evil, wicked person. It just means you still got the mind he gave you.
Right.
That mind has to be voluntarily given up by us. Look at this here. We must know ourselves historically. Look at that. We must know ourselves biologically. This is why the teaching on melanin and things now are becoming more important. You can see a consciousness is coming up among us, but you got to be reading to see it. You're not going to get it from CNN. Look at this. You got to know who you are genetically. Your gene. Your DNA that makes you up now for your present. It's carrying a hereditary trait.
Come on.
That means history is in the gene. You look just like your great somebody, or you sound just like somebody way down the line that you've never seen before. We don't keep the pictures that long, even though we got these little cell phones now to do everything with. But just think about what I'm saying. And the gene is reproductive.
Right.
So it carries the future. We have to learn ourselves genetically. But we must go also, the minister said, to the root of ourselves, which is knowledge of the nature in which we are created. That's right. That's the essence of self-knowledge. We are the righteous. That is our own, right?